Subaru. It's nice.
If you're a trade
I don't know, I think we may have seen it, but it's not we get to see it again.
like an SUV now, or
It's nice.
if you look at the cars on the road. But in actuality, if you just want a really cool basic car to get you from A to B, a K car will be it. If you really want a good spacious car to move
We'll have a look at this R32 GTR. It's obviously from roll wrestling or drag strip. Look at the size of them guys.
This is the best car for the ever. Yeah.
Makes it surprising. Most of the cars are big.
Guys, just put it into perspective. Look at that. Look at that. My hand is not even half the size of that turbo.
It's good that at least then you've got that versatility of being
With the
something
downpipe.
different. So leads into my next
Downpipe's as big as the freaking turbo. Mental. Nice Recaros. Nice. It's all suede. It's nice. All suede material. That's freaking unreal.
Right? So obviously the
Look.
best cars are going to come
Look at the
from
colour.
the country that they are made, which is Japan, and it's going to be consistent. That's why it mostly sells from Japan. But
Unreal.
saying that, we have got
Absolutely unreal, guys.
from the UK,
Unreal.
from New Zealand. We are in the process of bringing cars in for a customer from the Middle East even. So there's a lot of things going on. Southeast Asia is another popular destination where you can find collectible cars that's kind of been hidden away.
Jerry Yam, we're going to have a chat with him very soon about that Skyline.
And the reason why you obviously
But he's on stage at the minute.
because they're all right-hand drive.
They're all right-hand drive, and they are the cheapest there. They have the most of them there as well. Yeah. So K cars are never really sold outside of Japan.
Right.
Yeah. So they tend to pop up in as grey imports elsewhere around the world. So that is the best, still the best country to bring them in from, Japan.
On the coach. Huh? It's on the coach. Yeah. Guys, fix my camera. Look at this. I think this looks mean good. Toyota Supra. Not a bill side. Kit on it. Isn't that mean looking? The carbon. Auto elements. Look at that. beefy, guys. That is beefy. Bit of muscle. You got a Holden Commodore. Used to have one of these. Black one. VESS. I did SSV. Yeah, SSV. Yeah. I had one of them myself. Oh, look at this. RX-7. Honestly, I do not like it. I do not like it at all. It looks, no, it's like Porsche front in it. This is nice. Alright, mate. That's my mate. Alright, mate. Okay. These are freaking mint. We got a Truno. Nice clean Truno. Hey people, do you know who this man is? Does this look familiar? Hmm? Clean. It's clean, guys. Absolutely clean. The old twin cams, lads. Do some rings, lad. Hey, do some rings. The old Trunos. Nice. Oh, in the corner here, look. We've a freaking Godzilla with NOS. We've got NOS fuel cell. Relocated battery. Look at them. Auto elements. I'd say she's a freaking beast. Absolute animal, I said. We got a few Porsches. We've got a GTR Nismo. That's a Nismo actually, yeah. We'll have a quick gander at that. R35 Nismo. Nice one, Gary. Carreras. Corsa Oris. Carrera. Nice, isn't it? That's nice, isn't it? Now we got a R32 Mines V-Spec N1. Nice, guys. That is nice. And it's for sale. For sale. Yeah. I wonder how much crazy money is on that now. Nice. Absolutely nice. We all know what that is, don't we? Eh? Oh, I've seen this. Oh, this is for sale too. Spears RX-7. clean Supra. The old 2J. Nice 2J inside in it. Is she manual? She's manual. Emmanuel. Hello, Emmanuel. Can't beat the J's at all. What else we got going on, guys? We got a bit of Fast and Furious going on over here. Too fast, too furious, I should say. Oh, wow. Have they got enough NASA one though? See now? Look in there. Yeah, guys. Into as well, not the one and only Thrill Willy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, we'll try to keep him out as much as possible.
Yeah, because I'm better on camera. I'll look better.
Off camera and quieter and mute.
I'll look better on camera, don't I? Oh, by the way, make sure you follow on my page.
Running rich, keep it rich. Yeah, anyway. Alright guys, time has come, right? I told you earlier in the last video that I wasn't going to show you the R33, the blue one, right? Right, time has come. We're going to have this conversation with the man himself, Jerry from Go Garage. And he's going to fill us in on that GTR and what he does. So, come along. Hope you enjoyed this part because it's very interesting. Alright, see you in a little bit.
This is the BTS one. Okay.
Alright, we're in for a treat. We have here with us today.
Jerry from Go Garage.
Alright, Jerry,
We are okay. We are in car import dealership. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook. The name is G0 Garage. Yeah, Go Garage. That's it.
Alright, perfect.
And we're gonna show you today one of our customers' car, which is a very rare GDR 33 LM. LM stands for Le Mans. It's a car they built to commemorate their Le Mans victory, and comes in this stunning French blue. Okay, so not only is this car rare Le Mans GDR 33, this also sports white sports white body kit. If you look at it, it looks like the JGTC Nissan GDR racing body kit for the GDR 33, and that is because this is the road-going version. They only made 28 of these, and this is the only Le Mans GDR 33 with this kit. So actually one of one. We helped the owner import this car from New Zealand. So the deal was the previous owner of this car wanted midnight purple GDR 33 plus cash on top, and my customer was in Brisbane. Now we had to figure out a way to get the car to New Zealand and then make sure it complied to all the New Zealand rules, and then get this car from the previous owner to the new owner. And there was a lot of paperwork involved, a lot of trust on both sides, and a lot of paperwork. Let's say that way, but a lot of logistics issues we had to sort out to move the cars around.
Very interesting. Alright.
Plenty of information there.
Yeah.
One of the sexiest R33s I've ever seen. More importantly, it's probably one of the best Sydney's ever seen.
Yes, well, Australia has ever seen.
Yeah, Australia's
yeah.
ever seen. There you go. You heard it from the man himself.
One of a kind.
Now, if you heard what Jerry said specifically, he is the leader of Japanese/JDM imports into Australia.
Yes.
So for this man to say this is one of the best R33s in Sydney, and Australia, more importantly Australia, you've got to take his word for it because he's looked at all of them. He knows what's coming in and out of here.
We know what we're looking at. The car, once the owner got the car, he basically restored the entire car. He put off all the panels, made sure to fix all the rust or anything that was wrong with the car. He made sure it's perfect before he put the panels back on and he sprayed the color, basically. And he didn't build the car for horsepower. He built the car to be enjoyed and top of honor for people to see at shows. So he's kept it with the classic twin turbo setup, paint matched everything, and stainless steel everything. You can look at the wheels, they're top quality, built by some of the best fabricators in Australia, and the attention to detail is second to none. This has not only a full built engine and the Trust twin turbos, it's also got a 6-speed sequential gearbox.
Wow.
Built for the street and built to be enjoyed.
That is a very nice car.
Yeah.
And then all that information just makes it even better. We're looking at a blue car sitting on a set of white 5-spokes, and then all that information and that story, man, makes it just so much more better.
That's it.
We appreciate the time that you give us to have this conversation, and hopefully these guys here enjoyed it.
Yes.
And they go suss you out on Go Garage. And
on Instagram and on Facebook.
if we can bring you some customers, Jerry, we're very happy, my brother.
No
Straight
problem,
out.
no problem. You can become our customers too.
Thank you very much.
Jerry. Mate.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Jerry. Take care.
There you go. What do you think of that, guys? That was pretty freaking awesome, wasn't it? Jerry from Go Garage. Do you know? He's a big part of this car event. He's, as we said, if you remember at the very start, it's a Sessions Automotive Exhibition, and it's powered by Go Garage. So we got a great conversation with the man himself, and a description of what he does and the details of the car, which is absolutely mint. So let me know what you thought of that, because I thought that was top notch. All right, I'll catch you in a little bit, guys. Bye bye. Well, there we have it, guys. That's the end of the exhibition. Hope you enjoyed it, because I absolutely enjoyed it. I thought it was an absolute best one so far. So yeah, follow, subscribe, keep liking, leave a comment, because I'm sure you'll leave a comment in this one, because there's so much to see. There's so, you know, if you want more, I have more coming. So stay tuned, follow, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you again. Love you, leave you. Bye bye.